This is 79.17%. So यहाँ पे क्या है? So this is optical fiber now. Basically, this is optical fiber. Okay, this is the core axis. Now, okay, I'll just little increase this value. Now what happens is this is the core axis. Okay, okay. This is the angle of incidence. This will become angle of refraction. This is TIR will take place. Okay, this angle and this angle will be same. Clear? Let it be I and let this be R. Okay, with the normal, right? With the axis of the prism. Okay. Now the first question, what it says, 1.68, 1.44. This is 1.68, and ये है 1.44. What else is there here? What is the range of angles of incident? So here. So if this is how much, he didn't mention that angle, right? No. So we have here n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R we have to use. Why? Because there are two different media, and go with the critical angle thing. What will be the formula? N1 is equal to, I will write 1.68. N2 is equal to, I will write 1.44. And R1 I don't know, and R is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, can you please substitute all these values in the formula? Then you find out this angle now. Critical angle now. There is the critical angle. Sin 90 value is 1. It's showing here 59 degrees. It is showing 59 degrees.
ये ऐसे जाएगा ना 1.42 into sin I will be
1.66 into बराबर है n1 sin I MR में, ठीक है 1.4 पर है, sin 90 is 1, इसको sin 90 लिखो. ओके ठीक है, उसके बाद क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, sin I is equal to 1.44 divided by 1.68. इसको डिवाइड करो आप.
So will the angle be 58.2?
Yeah, 59 it is coming approximately. When you solve it, I is equal to, it is showing, I value is showing 59 degrees. So approximately 59 degrees. We got that right?
Okay.
Okay. Now what should be the R now? R should be 90 minus I. R should be, see, this is a right angle triangle, right? This is the right angle triangle. So how to get that angle? If I is equal to how much? 59. If I is equal to 59, R will be equal to how much when this value is 90? So I plus R should, I plus, yeah. So the value is how much now? 90 minus, you should get 90 minus I. R is equal to 90 minus 59 degrees. So R is equal to how much? 90 means 60, 31 degrees, right? 31 degrees. So R I got 31 degrees. Now again I have to use the formula. What is that? Mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Here now I'm going this place now. So mu is equal to sin I by sin R. Okay, so what I get here? Sin. So this I is different from this I. Should I write I dash now? Here, I dash for your convenience. So sin I dash. So here, mu is how much? This core is 1.68, and sin I1 I don't know. I dash divided by sin R. Sin R is equal to how much? 31 degrees. Okay, so sin I dash is equal to how much? 1.68 into sin 31. What should be sin 31 now? Wait, I will do it. Sin 31 degrees equal to 0.51. So 0.51 sin I dash is equal to 0.51 multiply 1.68. 0.51 multiply 1.68. So 0.85. Okay, so I dash is equal to sin inverse of 0.85. I dash is equal to how much? Sin inverse answer equal to 59 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer. 60 is approximately it is showing 60 degrees. So if there was no outer covering, what would have happened? So it will not suffer TIR. So what happens if there is no outer covering, it will directly go into this signal will go here, refract, and it will die. The signal will die. Okay, that happens in the second part. This is part A. Part B. If you want to try that also, we can try. Okay, that is air medium. Second will be instead of this one, it will be air medium now. Can you try that also? We will do second part also. So mu is equal to, we have N1. Same formula I'm using now. So N1 is equal to 1.68. N2 is equal to 1. And I is equal to how much I don't know. R is equal to 90 degrees. So we have N1 sin I. N1 into sin I is equal to N2 sin R. 1. So sin I is equal to how much? 1 divided by 1.68. I is equal to sin inverse of, इसको करिए calculator से. Now I is equal to sin inverse of, sin inverse of इसको लगाइए 1 divided by 1.68. हाँ क्या होगा?
1.6.
1 divided by 1.68. No.
1 divided by 1.
10 कर दिया आपने 10.
नहीं सर 0.1.
अच्छा 0. ये एसटी लगा
0.59.
0.59 इसको करिए 0.59. देन इसको शिफ्ट ये डबल शिफ्ट पकड़िए साइन इनवर्स लगाइए साइन लगाइए साइन आंसर लगाइए आंसर इक्वल टू 36 डिग्री आई इज इक्वल टू 36 डिग्री वही है ना 53 कितना गड़बड़ हो गई है इसमें 0.59 तो बराबर है वो फिर एक बार से करिए नहीं आई इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस करना है 90 माइनस 36 so 90 minus 36 will be equal to how much
54.
90 minus 36 that is 54 degrees so there is no TIR it doesn't suffer okay so here sin R है ये okay calculated we found out right sin is equal to into sin R into is 1 okay it's okay but just right there at the bottom last you write it doesn't suffer a TIR total internal reflection okay just right there it doesn't suffer
एग्जाम टाइम पे इतने कैलकुलेशंस कैसे होगा बहुत टाइम लगेगा ना इतना कैलकुलेशन
हाँ तो लेकिन इतना वो नहीं देंगे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इट विल बी डायरेक्ट सिंपल वैल्यूज जैसा मैंने लिखा ना स्टार्टिंग में sin 30 sin 45 sin 60 वो उस तरह से होगी तो यू विल डू इट फास्टली ओके क्लियर
हाँ सर तो ऐसे कॉम्प्लेक्स वैल्यूज तो नहीं आएंगे ना एग्जाम में
नहीं ऐसा नहीं वो एंगल वो लोग ऐसा देंगे कि ये 1.5 है ये 1.2 है माने यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व इट
इतना मुश्किल नहीं है
एंगल भी जो है इजी करेगा वो माने या 59 नहीं आएगा आपको जब सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपको 60 आएगा फिर ये 30 बन जाएगा सो इट विल बी इजी टू सॉल्व इट उस तरह के क्वेश्चन करेंगे
ओके सर
यू अंडरस्टूड सो वो लोग करके देखते हैं सर जब whoever is preparing the paper they will solve the problem also they will see कि कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है ये ठीक है चलो we will try one more question now okay prism का हो गया है ना there is a question here on 9.5 try that question 9.5 all of it exercise question 9 see once again there is a water there is a bulb at the bottom and it forms a area cone like this so he's asking what is the area of the circle are you there all of you
yes sir
yes sir
so this is we are using the simple formula n is equal to sin A by sin R we don't want n equal to sin I we don't know what is sin I because it is going into air no so not a problem so that's what I'm not taking n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R I'm not going with that formula so sin I कितना है here angle of incidence is equal to पता नहीं है, sin r is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so that will become 1. So sin I नहीं गलत हो जाएगा, n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin r. We'll do is that formula, same formula. Better. हाँ, n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin r. Better we will use that. So it is यहाँ पे क्या है, n1 का पता है 1.33. Sin I is equal to what? Sin I don't know. n2 is 1. Sin r is 1. So sin I is equal to how much? Sin r you just calculate from 1 divided by 1.33. So 1 divided by 1.33. कितना हो गया? ये ले लीजिए
1.33 divided by
9. 1 divided by 1 divided by 1.3.
0.7.
0.7 है ना, 0.7 45 डिग्रीज होता है. I is 707 is 45 degrees. Okay, approximately. So 707 I wrote it before. Now ये 45 है. Okay, see once see clearly. If this is 45, this also will be 40. इस तरह से करना है इसको. Now you have this 45. This is 90. ठीक है? What will be this value now?
Right angle.
Now 45 plus 90 है ना, तो ये भी 45 हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ.
ठीक है? This also will become 45. Now we need to find out the radius. किस तरह से करेंगे आप? You use that, कौन सा इस्तेमाल करेंगे? Sin या cos sin angle. Sin theta ले लो. Opposite side by hypotenuse या tan theta ले लो. Yeah. Tan 45 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, right?
Yes.
ये चाहिए मुझे. Opposite side is r. नहीं इसमें नहीं. And adjacent side is 80. ठीक है? See sin ये वाली चाहिए ना मुझे. तो what I am doing is tan 45 लूंगा तो this will become opposite side, this will become adjacent side. ठीक है? Is that clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Cos भी कर सकते हैं लेकिन क्यों चाह रहा है? Because I have only these two, right? I don't have hypotenuse. Don't go with sin and cos. ये 1 हो गया, r by 80. Okay, so therefore r is equal to 80 centimeter. ठीक है, ये भी r हो गया, ये भी 80 हो गया ना. So this also will become 80. तो अब इसका एरिया क्या होगा? pi r square. A is equal to 3.14 into r square. 80 square कर लो, you'll get the answer. Got it? Is that clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir, done.
Done? Okay. तो अभी नेक्स्ट कौन सा है?
बहुत बड़ा आंसर है 2026.
क्योंकि हमने उसमें लिया ना, एरिया में लिया ना, स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में लिया, नहीं तो अगर मीटर में रहता तो कम होता था. गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, और एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. You try this also, microscope the apparent medium. You try this 9.3 now, all of you. 9.3. Quick. Uh, 9.3 वाला. A tank is filled with water of height 112.5. The apparent depth of the needle lying at the bottom of the tank is measured with the microscope to be 9.4. माने real depth apparent दिया उसने. What is the refractive index? Direct question. 9.3 वाला करिए. All of you must write. Did you copy this one? No answer. Yes. Did you copy this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो. Try the third question. 9.3 try करिए. All of you. Where is this fellow? He left. Okay, he's there now. The other one. Are you doing, Ashas?
Yes, sir.
Arham, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Are you planning the same way? Are you doing like two chapters daily every day? Are you practicing that way? Like one from one subject, like
trying to
one from bio, one from chemistry. I told you, right? 2 chapters daily. 2 chapters. You select 2 questions, 2 chapters from each subject, and are you doing it that way?
So trying to do it.
So
I'm trying.
That means you haven't tried. It's almost 1 week, right? Today is what? Today is Thursday. Friday. Today is Thursday. It went so fast. Huh? Tomorrow is Friday also. I think Sunday, I think I have given you that 1 o'clock bit, okay? Afternoon 3 o'clock something. Went so fast this week. Okay. US December flies from this. Okay, बोलो next question 9.3 वाला है ना? Real depth कितना है?
12.5.
Real depth is 12.5 centimeter. Apparent depth कितना है?
Needle का 9.4 centimeter.
Apparent depth 9.4 centimeter. ठीक है. So we are just direct formula है ना? Real depth upon apparent depth. बस इसको डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए. 12.5 9.4 you divide it. Divide it ना? 1.33 है. चलो हो गया. Second part क्या है उसमें?
What is the refractive index of water? 1.
The apparent depth हो गया है. उसके बाद what is refractive? If water is refracted with a liquid of refractive index 1. of the same height, by what distance would the microscope have to be moved? Okay, अगर suppose n is equal to 1.63, he is asking real depth is equal to same 12.5. Real depth is 12.5 centimeter. Apparent depth is equal to how much? So what is the formula? 1.63 is equal to 12.5 divided by apparent depth. Okay. So apparent depth is equal to how much? 12.5 divided by 1.63. Do it. 12.5 divided by 1.663. 7.66. 7.67 centimeter. Is it clear? Are you understanding? So we will
Yes,
stop
sir.
it for today.